hello.
Hey, Joe.
Hello.
I'm looking for Nathan and John.
They're inside.
Ah, thank you. Oh, nice hat.
Thank you.
Coffee beans.
Thank you, Joe.
Coffee.
Joe, we're going to be very busy today.
I can help.
Hey, I can help too.
No, I'm not sure. You're taking the order. Joe,
Sorry.
I made the coffees now, and they will help with the milk.
What can I do to help?
You can take the orders today.
Good.
He's silly.
Yeah, he's very silly. Look at the mess we have to
look.
clean up after his mess.
Oh, hello, sir.
Hello. I've been waiting for you.
Why, do I know you?
No, I don't think so. I just want to order a coffee.
Oh, yes. What would you like?
An Americano, please.
Cork a cano.
And I will have a slice of drizzle cake. Excuse me, I will have... Excuse me, I will have a slice... I never...
Okay, John. How can I help?
Joe, today we're going to froth some milk. We get the jug with the milk, then we put it in. And that is your frothy milk. You pour in the milk like this.
You pour the milk?
Be careful.
Okay.
Hello, kind sir.
Hello, sir. I would like a cappuccino, please.
What did you want to order?
Could I just get a latte, please? Thank
A
you.
latte.
Thank you.
Ugh.
Joe, what are you doing?
Look, all these coffees, and we only have one frother.
Joe,
Joe,
relax.
relax.
Oh, excuse me, John. Oh.
What the?
Frother! Can we make coffee now?
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
Go to this table first.
That's also a milk.
Have a nice day, and thank you for coming to the cafe.
Bye.
Well, I've had a great day, but now it's time to go.